How to make awesome thumbnails for YouTube videos. Use remove background application in first place. Click upload image. Choose Google Gallery. Choose your favorite photo. Click the blue download button. Now, log out and go back to Thumbnail Maker application. That's awesome. You can now select your YouTube channel niche and click See All. Alright, this is where you can now choose the type of thumbnail you want for your video. You are all set to go. Now replace the photo and also insert the image you removed the background. Very good. Now click down and edit the thumbnail character by using the below tools. Click Save button and download it. Once you are done editing the thumbnail character, we can now see our new YouTube video thumbnail in Google Gallery. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.